allocating works orders in Sage 200 Manufacturing compared to Sicon Manufacturing. So within the works orders module and works order list, we're highlighting our works order and selecting allocate stock. In this case we're going to allocate as much as possible to all lines. Select OK. If we refresh our list, we can see the works orders move to allocated. Let's do the equivalent in Sicon works order processing, so works order list. Let's double click in our works order or select amend works order. If I selected a line and clicked on allocate, it's going to allocate that line. I could use Windows functionality to select multiple lines, shift or control, select allocate, and it would allocate those lines. If I haven't selected a line or select off here, I can click on allocate and it's going to allocate as much as possible. Select OK, and now we can see it's moved to allocated. The status has moved to allocated and we can see full visibility on the works order itself.